Peaceful mornings, light breeze, birds singing, flowers blooming. The worries of tomorrow silenced for a bit. Such will be your life at Indraprasth Greens. Designed to fill your days with natural grandeur. Homes at Indraprasth Greens breathe luxury in every corner. Be it staying in your bed all day, or celebrating with your entire family, or enjoying a cozy evening. Indraprasth Greens lets you do whatever your heart desires. Step out on the central courtyard, a vehicle-free zone, where nature blooms and the spaces open new possibilities. Breaking a sweat for a good physique, or searching within your soul for peace. Seeking a quiet moment or two to yourself, or relaxing with your friends and neighbors. Every amenity at Indraprasth Greens promises a good time and a fun lifestyle. The vicinity has the best of hospitals, schools and colleges, restaurants, malls and multiplexes to cater to every need. Since 1980, Deep Group of Companies has delivered many award-winning projects across the city. Over 40 years of building spaces, shaping dreams and inspiring lifestyles. Embrace the natural way of life right in the middle of the city. Embrace the calmness, the thrill, and the joy in every moment. At Indraprasth Greens.